Is your facility prepared to handle unexpected visitors, or are you risking serious consequences? My name is Felicia Liu, and I am a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program compliance. Let's dive into a critical mock food defense scenario, managing unknown visitors in your facility. First things first, remain composed and alert. Unknown visitors can pose significant security threats. Your immediate response should be to engage your facility's food defense protocol. Gather your core response team and ensure swift action. Identify the person or persons. Use your surveillance tools to assess their movements and any potential interactions with your systems or products. It's crucial to understand how they got there and to mitigate any risks they may pose. Communicate to your staff directly and with precision. Make sure everyone understands the procedures in place to handle such situations and that no unauthorized personnel move throughout the facility. Maintaining control and ensuring safety are priorities. Activate your visitor management process. Escort unknown visitors to a secure area and engage proper identification practices. It's vital to document everything accurately for future reference, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the incident for review. By simulating this scenario, you highlight your strengths and identify areas for improvement in your food defense strategies. But there's no need to tackle these challenges alone. Bring in expert help to refine your protocols and safeguard your operations. Avoid potential risks and safeguard your facility with a registered SQF consultant's guidance. Book a strategy call with us to enhance your food safety measures and ensure compliance. Don't wait, call us at 1-236-513-2488 for expert support today.